So as you can see, I'm changing the wheels. This is the Mustang GT wheels. These are, the back is 275 and the front is 255, but my stock one, all of them are 235. As you can see, because of the wheel size is different, I cannot rotate in the future. That's the only problem, but it's gonna look good because the stock one is like 17-inch and these are like 19. New nuts too. This is the new nuts for the GT. I'm gonna put it on.
Alright guys, it's already nighttime, so we kind of started late due to doing some work on the bike as well. But you guys already know how the wheels are, so the next clip after this will be in daytime with all the wheels attached. And let us know in the comments what you guys think about it.
This is the front. This is the front. Back. It's the next day. I changed all the wheels and it's done. I'm gonna show you how it looks. It's dirty. I'm gonna clean it now.
We'll change some tires.
Front. Back. This is Alibai.